Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland, and here I'm gonna make the tempting cauliflower pizza. So this is a Mother's Day special recipe for my mother I'm dedicating to, and let's get started. Alright, so here are the ingredients. The cauliflower florets, uh, black pepper, salt, garlic cloves, mozzarella cheese, olive oil, and I took the ready-made pizza crust, but you can make your own. But this is a quick and easy recipe, so here we go. And don't forget to preheat your oven to 450 Fahrenheit. Alright, so here I roughly chopped my garlic, and now the first step is we're gonna just get the cauliflower florets little bit, like say 2 to 3 minutes simmered with olive oil and black pepper and salt. This is a 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and I'm just gonna try to make sure that the oil is hot enough, and then let's put the cauliflower. Look at the sizzling noise, love it. Alright, as you can see, it's trying to change its color. Let's put some garlic in there. Try to roast a little. I typically like the cauliflower and garlic little roasty flavored. So, I'm gonna do it that way, but it's up to you, however you like it. The color, they are already turning brown, and that's what I want. And here I'm putting salt to taste and black pepper. Ooh. So trying to get it all the way the brown color. I'm putting it on a high heat, just so you know. Our cauliflower is ready here, and now we're gonna put some mozzarella cheese on the top of the bread crust, pizza crust. So here is the mozzarella cheese. Do it as per your taste, as per your liking. We like it, so I'm gonna put good enough quantity here. And spread the cauliflower florets just randomly, however. The smell is so good, guys. And my oven is preheated already, which is just perfect. I'm gonna just sprinkle tiny bit of salt and tiny bit of pepper, but again, this is as per your taste. I just like more flavorful, so here you go. And last layer is just more cheese. Yum yum. Just spread it evenly. Alright, I think that's good enough. Trying to get each cauliflower its own place so that we get in each bite. Alright, and this delicious one goes in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Here is the beauty. Look at this. I just really love the texture, and like the cheese is all melted. And the main thing is,
when were you making pizza?
Oh yeah, that was a surprise for you.
Oh, I liked it.
Awesome.
Ooh, that looks like the one from Anthony's, right?
Yes, so this is the Anthony's coal fire inspired grill pizza recipe for all of you.
Okay, so let's see how her pizza tastes. Now that she's not here, I can actually speak the truth. Guys, you have to make this. This is an exact replica. The cauliflower is so well roasted. It's like exact like Anthony's coal fired, guys. You guys gotta try this.
Thank you for watching this recipe and do visit us on Foodland. Bye-bye.